All right, welcome back to another bowling league video. I averaged 200 last time, so the goal is to hit my average. No, I'm gonna hit my average. I'm not surpassing it.
Wait, you have to surpass the win?
I literally can't surpass it. My goal is different than the team goals.
We're fucked.
So we're post bowling. We normally bowl on Mondays, but I think one of us was out of town, so we have to post bowl. Week number 2. I guess we'll see how we do. We just warmed up. My wrist is in more pain than I expected. So we'll see how we bowl. This my mark. I knew I bowled a little bit too fast with not enough revs. I know, yeah. I caught my hand. That's all I can ask for. Oh, please. I was going to say 3 times in a row. Is that a better line?
Yeah.
Sad. Time for game 2.
People that never call their reflections. Somewhere in there's a lesson. Y'all ain't following is very depressing. My team is being the coolest, sharing the section. Gotta share some presents.
Lucky. Ah, so high.
Yeah.
The old reliable. Fudge! I moved one board to the left. Oh! I like completely missed my mark. Wow. Come on, let's go. Brooklyn. I'll take it. I thought that strike. I hit exactly 600 again. All right, stats review. 164, game 2, 234, game 3, 202, scratch 600, which means I average 200 again. 3 splits, 2 splits, 7 open frames, 8 spares, 17 strikes. I see. All right, good games. We'll see you guys next week.